going to find out how this smokeless barbecue works. Okay, we have to take this off the grill, and then we fill it this recipient with charcoal like this. If you're going to do a lot of meat, you have to fill it up, but if you're just doing a couple of hamburgers, it doesn't need to be filled up. Okay, I have enough with this because I'm just doing some hamburgers now. Okay, and then here we put some gel, ignition gel. All right, not too much. Here we go. Okay, that will be enough. Good. Like that. All right, and then we fire it up, and then we turn on this little fan here. We put it at maximum speed. All right, and then we just put the charcoal here. On this cut, and then in about 5 minutes the barbecue is ready to put all the meat you want. Okay, enjoy your meal.